All right, we are here at the Comfort Inn by Seaworld in San Antonio, Texas. And this is one of two hotels that we are staying in on this Texas trip. So we're gonna do a quick little room tour of this hotel. So let's go. There's the breakfast area, which looks like we got it until 9:30, so that's good. And over here we have the elevator. And it's a really dumpy ThyssenKrupp. We're on the second floor. I guess you'll have to watch the full elevator video to see what happens going all the way to 3. Here's a room, or a view of the common areas here. Trying to remember what room we were in now.
This one.
It was 223, I thought, yeah. That means I'm getting tired too. There it goes. 223. And it is nice and dark in here. Let there be light. So here is the room. And you can see it is a suite, comfort suite. So here we have the map. So you can see we're 223. There's the elevator. Security stuff, standard locks, pretty typical. So this turns on and off this light. And I learned from the last choice suite hotel I stayed in where there was like a light switch like here and I didn't know it worked. So we're gonna really check the light switches. So you've got a lamp here with 2 lights on it. Got plenty of charging there. Looks like some Ethernet and phone line, notepad, stuff like that. Phone. Another lamp with 2 light switches. Here's the chair. There's a few stains on the chair. Nothing crazy though. Over here we got the couch. Can you lift a pillow up? Let's see if it's a... I'm assuming that this is going to be a couch bed. Yep. Yes. So we can make Jared sleep on this.
No.
We've got 2 of these little cushion chair thingies. Yeah. Here's the TV that we're probably not going to use. All of Jared's junk. Refrigerator, which we probably aren't going to use. A microwave that we aren't probably going to use, but it does look clean. And of course a big mirror and some more power. So overall nice. I guess there's your some artwork on the wall that Jared painted himself.
I'm Picasso.
Not really. Then you come into the bathroom area, which this is actually kind of a very similar layout to the suite I had in Milwaukee. It's actually very similar, except I had a king suite. So here is the bathroom. So you've got 2 sinks. I guess because this is a 2-bed room. So I guess Jared can get 1 sink, I can get the other, so his can get all disgusting, and mine will stay nice and clean. Here's your standard. So you have this brand of the Rayo soaps and stuff, because that's kind of the comfort thing. We've got the mirror with this light around it, and something we discovered here is this is like a 2-way switch, so either switch can turn this on, so you could on off, and then on off again over here, which is interesting. GFCIs, which is good, they do work, so we won't get zapped. Down here is where the coffee maker is. I won't use the coffee, but Jared might. I don't know if you drink coffee.
No.
Here's the hair dryer. Let's see if it works. Well, the light works. Yep, it works. There's just actually there's just a little night light on it. So if you want a little night light, there you go. And then into the bathroom. Here's the toilet. Nothing too crazy to see. It's a Kohler. There's a hole in the wall. Towels here. Here's the shower. Let's see how the shower works. It's very low pressure. This seems like one that has multiple modes on it. Yeah, that one just straight up doesn't work. That one's a tiny thing. Yeah, very low. That's like a spray mister. So yeah, pretty low pressure shower. The shower head though seems fairly decent. And of course you got another bar of soap there. Now into the bedroom. So there is a door here. Actually, we got 2 light switches here. So let's see what these do. That one turns off. Okay, well, I'm assuming that the shower light is that. Yep. So that's a very impressive shower light. Jared, would you like to tell us how the shower light works?
It flickers.
So you gotta go in there and shut the door. You're gonna give us your full analysis.
It's not enough to take a shower.
So what this means is while Jared's taking a shower, I can turn the lights off on him.
I wouldn't like that.
Alright, so if you want to troll your friends, get this room. Here's the bedroom door, which, let's be real here, what's the point of the door when there's a giant window on it?
Why is that funny? I'm too tired for this.
Because you can be over here like, hi.
I hope you don't do that in the morning.
Let's demonstrate. So we could be in here, you know, I could be asleep in this bed, and Jared could be over there doing that. So what's even the point of having a glass door? That's actually really terrifying. Over here we've got thermostat, which we're gonna... Did anything happen? I kicked it to fan on. Oh, it did come on. Cool. Here we have a light switch that... What does this even do? We have a mystery switch. Alright. And here's the closet. So you got a mirror. Jared's going to go to the bathroom now that I've... Okay. You got the ironing board and the iron hangers. Another TV. Some money that Jared left there. Some drawers with some stains in it. Some of my junk. I actually don't remember what that box is. So the actual HVAC system is built into the corner here. Actually, if you look at this, so this I guess is the air intake. Okay, so you've got the actual unit behind here. Here's your intake. You've got a vent up here. And I'm guessing a vent over here. Yep, so here's the vent here. And my guess is there's one more right there. So you've got, that's your climate control. However, the actual thermostat is in here. AC must be on to cool. So you would have to, yeah, AC must be on. I guess that obviously makes sense. So, and I guess for the view out here, I mean, it is dark. So there's another hotel next door, and you get a view of, I guess, the highway. Yeah, so our hotel room faces the highway, so not very exciting. But as with any hotel room, the big reason why we rented a hotel was to sleep. So we got 2 beds here. I'm actually going to go ahead and take my shoes and my coat off, and we will do a much more in-depth view of these beds. So before we show the beds, we need to do a test of a feature of this room.
Oh no.
It's effective. Now Jared's out of the pooper. We can do the bed test. So this is where you're going to be sleeping. So let's pull it back and see what we find.
First thing I found is a blood stain.
Oh no. Let's have a look here. That is wonderful. So that's on the very top. So let's go ahead and pull the bed back, because actually the Comfort Inn I stayed in Chicago, or Mundelein, was actually worse than the qualities I stayed in. Let's pull that back. How does that look? Looks all right. We got pillows. Let's go ahead and check under here. What do you see? Anything? I'll let Jared check. Everything look good?
It's dark under here.
It's dark under there. Okay, well. So I guess that gets the Jared seal of approval. And then the next test is the comfort test. You approve?
It's a nice medium soft mattress.
Mm-hmm.
And as someone who works in the mattress and furniture industry,
You approve?
it's not the cheapest mattress in the world,
Yeah.
but it's alright.
Cool. Now I guess we'll check my bed here. So let's remove some pillows. One more. I'm gonna need one of those back. So we do have a small stain on this one as well. A couple little spots there. But it seems like the actual sheets themselves underneath. So they got like a top sheet on here. This seems clean as well. I don't see anything weird there. Let's go ahead and pop this off. And once again, we look good. I don't feel like taking the whole thing off. There could be more mysteries underneath, but... Well, I guess that pretty much concludes the tour. It's definitely not great, but this is like most other Choice properties. It's just okay.
It's better than the Days Inn in Princeton.
That it is. So that's it for this hotel room tour. Hope you enjoyed it. And I guess with that, good night, Jared.
What?